Yeah?
I feel like this is a sciencey thing that you have. Do you happen to have tweezers? And because it's a sciencey thing? It's a sciencey thing.
Hang on one second.
No, I have a little label that's like stuck in the binder. And I tried with my scissors, but obviously that was a failure.
Yeah, just a second, I'm recording something.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's not, there's no sound.
Okay.
So it's just...
No, and I like to make things up. Cause myself more work.
Well, and he's talking to me about it, and I'm like, and he sent me a video which I couldn't open, it just spinning wheel of death the whole time. And so I was like, well, I said, I realize that they can't make it happen, but it really did happen. He's like,
no, I heard what you said. I liked it.
He's like, I believe you.
You're like, I'm not lying.
He was hilarious because you could tell that he's in this situation a lot.
Yeah.
And then, of course, he wanted to, as it was happening, for someone to take the kid's iPad and, like, record it. And I'm like, this is a test. Yeah. It's the kid's final exam. Like, we can't do that to the kid.
A little stressful. I know. Well, they really enjoy when I send them my screencast-o-matic of the issue. I'm like, prove this is not happening. Prove me wrong.
And if I had... if I had something that I could prove it, I totally would send it.
Well, that was what had happened. I had to go out to Boulder Creek. Was it last year? And I was like, I believe you guys that this is happening.
Right.
I just need to see it. Because I'm trying to explain it to some city, and they're telling me I'm crazy. And I'm like, I know I'm not. I know you're not.
And then he's like, well, he can get a list of all of the questions that we have for in the district bank that are have the drawing thing on it.
Uh-huh.
So he's going to send me that.
Oh, that might be nice.
So I can go through and look. Because, I have that kind of time in my life.
Yeah. Well, you are going to have it.
Oh.
Meaning because it...
Because we're not going to have any PD money?
Well, no, but I'm saying we're going to have to fix all those anyway.
I know.
So, that's what I more meant. I wasn't saying the other thing. But I caught a few of them only as I did the spring ones. Because I went through and I re-looked at them.
Mm-hmm.
But it wasn't until I actually went in.
Right, and you have to go into preview.
Yeah.
To be able to see it, and that's what I told him too. I'm like, this is super time consuming because I can't just look at it in the list because it doesn't show.
Yeah.
And then it was weird because he said that he went on to try to mimic a kid in the test.
Yeah.
And